Hello and welcome to another Bushwhacker review. Today we are going to be taking a look at Brad Keselowski's Miller Lite Ford for 2017. Let's take a quick look at the box here, just your typical generic 2017 box. Brad Keselowski, action 25 years, 2017 Miller Lite, standard finish, got to render the car right there. Brad Keselowski, action 25 years. Once again, Brad's just kind of in like a regular jacket, not his fire suit, like Joey was. He's made a total of 829 of these things, standard finish, number 2, Team Penske. Good stuff all around. So let's get down to the car itself. As you probably can tell by now that it is still the white car this year, but if you've been paying attention to NASCAR, you should know that by now. But there was a minor change, we'll get to that later. Definitely want to see the blue car back. The blue deuce is always good, but I don't really mind the white car. I mean, it's kind of cool, but I kind of wish they would have maybe do like a back and forth, like run the blue car and the white car every year, like the blue in the day races, white car in the night races or something. I don't know. Because I just don't know if I like the white car 24/7, but you know. It's definitely still a nice paint scheme. At least it has sort of changed every year. People kind of ignore that it has, but it really has actually changed every year since they got it one way or another. There's been something different about this paint scheme every year since they started the white car in 2014. But anyways, let's get down to sponsors. On the hood, you have Miller Lite, got Shell Pennzoil, Ford Fusion number 2. Down the side, you have Miller Lite. You got Alliance Truck Parts and Snap-on Tools. Got Discount Tire and SKF. On the C post, you have Auto Trader, and on the B post, you have Ford, HP, PPG, Mazak, and Safety Clean. This is obviously before the Age of Monster was announced, so it's still got the old Coors Light logo, the old NASCAR logo, the generic NASCAR logo, and the name on the front windshield. With some quality Lionel work on that L. But what can you expect by now? On the back, you have Miller Lite, Ford, and number 2. Got Worth on the deck lid, nothing on the roof. This is number 773. Got the same stuff down the other side as usual. There's some more incredible line of work right there. And right there. Let's take a look under the hood. See that it just says Miller Lite and powered by Ford. There's the engine detail if you want to see that. Take a look under the deck lid. You get your typical fuel cell and such back there. The roof flaps do in fact open. And there's the underside of the car if you want to see that. This once again does have the detailed rims. Now it's a white rim, you can really see what I'm talking about. Has the yellow lug nuts and the little rotational arrows. Like I said, they should be on every 2017 car. So far, the only one I know it's not on is the Hooters car. I mean, I don't think they're planning to put them on the Gold Series cars, but as far as Platinum goes, they should be on every car. The one change this year, if you haven't noticed by now, is the fact they added a gold line under the red line. So it's kind of red and gold. I kind of like they added some gold back to this car. Though I would have liked maybe some gold on the edge of like the number or something too to kind of highlight it. Just to go with the stripe, but what can you do? There's not too much to talk about with a car like this. If you want this car, you can still get it pretty easily because it is a primary car, but his Miller stuff every year is kind of popular, so I don't know how long it's going to stay around, but so the fact there's no Monster and this is kind of an early year, not exactly that accurate kind of thing, it's just kind of probably hurts it. I mean, the paint seems accurate. There's not really many logo changes on Penske cars, but it's not going to be everyone's cup of tea. But I think that's all to say. This has been a review of Brad Keselowski's Miller Lite Ford for 2017. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.